Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your display name in Zoom. So you can see my display name is the one right here. It says kitty cat. Funny enough, I'm not really a fan of cats, but anyway, my display name is kitty cat. I kind of prefer parrots. Alright, let's get back on point. My display name is kitty cat, so I want to change the display name. And maybe for one reason or another you want to change your display name. So what do? From the home page of Zoom, which you've gotten signed into, maybe through your app or the web, which is zoom.us. So next thing you're gonna do is by the left, look to the left over here. That's right, the side. So you're gonna click on profile, and then it's gonna open the profile page over here by your right, and then you're gonna click on edit over here. Now this is for your name, this is for your display name. So I want to change my display name from kitty cat to kitty kitty bird. I like parrots. Kitty bird, and that's it. So you can also put a pronunciation for your name if you like. So once you do that, you click on save. Or you can also change your name here. You do your name, your first name, your last name, phonetic spelling of your name to be displayed in your profile card, pronouns you want, how you like to share your pronouns, then the location, company, department, job title, manager's name or email, and then you click on save. That's it. As you can see, my display name has been changed to kitty bird. So if we go to the home page now, instead of kitty cat, you're gonna see kitty bird. It's as simple as that. Instead of saying kitty parrot, parrot, I'm good with nicknames. Anyway, that's not what's important. What's important is that I hope you've learned how to change your display name in Zoom. I hope you found it really helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. So that's it guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.